good morning. We are out early, just got done breakfast, had some French toast and bacon. Was it good, buddy, or what? No? You a little shy this morning? Well, Granddad and Landis are here, and we are going to be doing a little hiking. We're going to go on the Loyalsock Trail. We're going to go up to the haystacks and just hang out. There's also a little pond up the road. We'll probably hit a little bit later after lunch. But let's get in the woods and, you know, have some fun. All right, so we're at the top of the mountain and we're on this like old railroad bed. As you can see to the left of us, it goes straight down, and probably 10 feet over to the right, you go straight down again. They probably logged this back in the day, used a train to pull out the logs, but it's a great scenery and it's easy for the kids to walk over.
Hiking through?
Hiking through. We got a speed walker. Let's go, boys. What are you doing down there?
See you guys. So we work this hard to get to the top of the mountain, and you guys
go back down. One thing that I am looking forward to is a dry trail. This is a huge waterfall and it's bone dry. This is usually flowing. This place is in need of water bad. However, it is going to be good because tomorrow the trails are going to be dry, meaning my feet are going to be dry and I can run harder and faster. All right, so we made it to the haystacks and this water is super low. Usually it's all the way up there, and this right here is usually like a pool, as you guys can see, but it is bone dry. I mean, they've gotten no water quite a bit. Man, look at this. This is absolutely amazing. This rock formation, look how smooth the rocks are over there. This is powerful. It's usually powerful. Not right now though. All right, so we made it back to the campsite. We just had a great lunch, and these river otters are back in the water again. They have no fear. I mean, this water is cold. And as soon as you get in, your skin is like pins and needles. But these guys don't even care. You guys having fun over there?
What? Yeah! Oh, yeah. Okay, you
Go. Who else is gonna jump? This is absolutely amazing. Watching the kids swim, get this beautiful scenery in the background, and on top of it, drinking some Tioga Rise instant coffee. Can't beat it.
Daddy, I'm gonna go.
Are you gonna go?
Yeah, watch this.
All right, man. Hold on.
I'm gonna swim all the way around into there.
Go.
Let's just roll in the line.
So I think all the boys finally hit the point of being cold. Everyone is up shivering, their teeth are chattering, And I think we're gonna get dinner started. What do you think about that, buddy?
And fire.
Yep, and we got a bunch of firewood going. Michael's starting a fire. And we're just gonna be relaxing for the rest of the night, and then tomorrow is the big race. So I gotta get some fluid in me, some carbs, and I'm ready to go. I'm excited. I really appreciate you guys tuning into this video. Really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your life to watch ours. Hope you guys get a chance to go out in God's creation. It's amazing just to be able to sit in silence and hear the water, hear the birds. If you guys can, get out there. Alright, I really appreciate you guys tuning in. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up, and don't be afraid to leave some comments. And we'll see you on the next video.